All right. Second thing I want to talk to you guys about is not only saturation, but actually how to use value with colored pencils, crowns, or even possibly markers. So if I get three different greens, you know, Yoda's green. So if I get three different greens, I get a light green, a middle green, and a dark green, then I'm going to build up my saturation. So you already saw me in video 1 show you what kind of saturation level I want you to have. So I want you to think about, where is it going to be dark on Yoda and where is he going to be light. So I'm going to start off with the lightest tone. And yes, I'm coloring in circles, pressing fairly hard but not too hard, building up the saturation level, and I'm also ensuring that there's no white spaces left in my paper. If I'm coloring in circles, I'm bound to cover every centimeter, millimeter, inch of the paper. All right, so obviously it's going to be a little bit darker in here, and so what I want to do is I want to take my second color and pressing about the same intensity, not too hard. I want to start coloring in this area where it's going to be a little bit darker green because there's a shadow there. And so this is how you start to build up the value intensity when you color. Just like we learned with the other assignment, the kitchen self-portrait or still life assignment, we're going to build up the lightness and darkness of the colors. But the lightness and darkness of green is just different shades of green. So this is why we asked you to have a 24 pack of colored pencils at least. And then I can come in and I can start to add this darker green in. And what happens is you create this illusion that parts of his face have different or at different levels. Some of them recede, some of them, and you create these shadows within the face, and all of a sudden your picture is starting to come to life. Now let's say I don't have three different greens. Okay, well, green is a derivative of yellow and blues. So you can use yellow as your first color, and then you can use the blue like I'm using this green. You could use it to kind of darken it up. So that's how you kind of create the idea of value, slowly building up. And the intensity is still, or the saturation level is still darker than that first video I showed you.